Welcome. In Python, we will learn about Python bitwise operations. In this session, we'll explore how data is represented and manipulated at the binary level. Let's start with the basics. That is bits and bytes. A bit is the smallest unit of data. It can be either 0 or 1. A byte is made of 8 bits. For example, the number 5 in binary is 101 and 10 is 1010. Understanding bits and bytes is the foundation of all bitwise operations. Bitwise operators in Python. Python allows us to manipulate individual bits directly using bitwise operators. Here's a quick list, like like AND for AND, like a single line for OR, strict for XOR, exclusive OR, for NOT, for bitwise NOT, or complement, for left shift, and for right shift. These operators act directly on the binary representation of integers, allowing low-level efficient computation. So let's look. So your bitwise AND or ampersand. So the bitwise AND operator compares bits of two numbers. It returns 1 only if both bits are 1. Otherwise, it's going to be a 0. For example, here we have A is equal to 12, that is 1100, and B is equal to 10, that is 1010. So when we say A into B, it gives us A, 8, that is 11000. This operation is often used for masking, filtering, and checking specific bits. Masking with bitwise AND. Masking means extracting only certain bits from a number while ignoring the others. So you can see, for example, here we have num 0b 1010 double 100. So mask 0b 0000 double 111. So result is equal to num and mask. The result keeps only the last 4 bits output 0b 1100. This is a powerful way to isolate portions of binary data. Flags with bitwise AND. Flags are a classic use of bitwise operations. Each bit can represent a statement. For example, 1 for on and 0 for off. To check the specific flag is on, use the AND operator. So here is an example that is given. Clearing flags with bitwise AND. You can also clear or turn off a bit using AND with a complement. Flex is equal to 0b1111. Mass is equal to 0b0100. Flex is equal to flag and mask. Print bin of flag. This operator flip bits and combining it and end resets the target bit safely. Bitwise OR. The bitwise OR operator sets a bit to 1 if either bit is 1. Example, A is equal to 12, that is 1100, and B is equal to 10. It's 100. Performing A or B gives 1 4, that is 1110, or is perfect for combining or activating multiple flags. Packing values with bitwise OR. Bitwise OR is also used for packing multiple values into a single integer. Here let's see. Suppose we have a low of 0p1010 and high of 0p1100. Packed is equal to high less than 4 or low. So here we shift the higher bits to make room and then OR them together, a common trick in encoding a compression. Setting and combining flags with OR. To set or combine multiple flags, use OR. OR ensures the specific bit is turned on without affecting other bits. Bitwise exclusive OR. The XOR operator returns 1 if the bits are different. XOR is often used in toggling, cryptography, and checksum algorithm. It's the key to many secure data operations. Bitwise complement. The bitwise NOT or complement flips every bit. Ones become zeros and zeros becomes one. This happens because Python uses two complement for negative numbers. The formula is as given in the slide. Byte-wise operations with integers. Python integers can represent multiple bytes. You can extract each byte using bit shifts and mask. This is useful for encoding, networking, or reading binary file data. Finally, let's talk about bit sets. You can represent a collection of bits using integers or Python sets. Bit sets are efficient structures for membership checks, access control, and Boolean algebra. Thanks for watching this video.